the generation. So name the generation. What generation will take longer to build trust? What generation will take longer to build trust? Okay, Bob, take it away so we can go to speaker view or we can go to gallery view. Okay, let's see. We have some purple, Gen Z, baby boomer, Gen X. Okay, Mary?
Gen Z.
Gen Z. Okay, those of you who said Gen X, you are correct.
Oh, really?
That's
Yes.
interesting.
Gen X is what age?
So, and here's the reason. First, what has happened in our world events and in society has played a key part in how the generations are. Think about the greatest generation, you know, the generation before the baby boomers. And the Depression played a key part in the way that they spend money, the way that they buy things. And what has happened in our economy has affected each or impacted each generation. Now for Gen X, think about this. Gen X was the first generation of latchkey kids. They also grew up with stranger danger. So they're more cautious than any other generation.
Makes sense.
So, and trust is huge whenever we're buying something, as we all know. The key with Gen X is once they find a brand, they usually are true loyal to that brand. And they are very, very protective over friends and family. So as you are selling to that generation, Gen X, keep that in mind.